This was originally Otis, now they modernized to Schindler.
Good plan. What are you doing?
Just taking a video of the elevator.
Why?
No, I just like them, that's why.
Okay, should I worry about you?
Oh no, I'm not doing anything bad, don't worry.
No, I know you're not. I'm just being excited about an elevator just doesn't seem normal.
Okay.
That's okay. We all get our thrills one way or the other, right?
I know.
Elevator can't be that bad, right?
Yeah. Otis. Just your basic high school elevator. We're gonna get off at 4. You got airphone. We're gonna get off at 4 here. One thing I don't get, I don't know why they changed their bells to 2 beeps only. This kinda sucks. It used to be 4 before. And they changed them to 2, but oh well. What can you do? Awesome. Old indicator used to be there. Now we're gonna get off at 4.
No, I'm gonna go pick up my dad's wife.
You're gonna go what?
Go pick up my dad's wife at the airport. Your dad's wife at the airport? Oh, you know when your parents went to divorce at 21, 22, they're not used to it.
And that's it.